Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change password in Windows 11. So there are 4 methods available. I will show you one by one. Start with change the password via setting. First you need to tap on the start button, open setting, tap on accounts in the left side menu. In the right side menu, tap on sign in options. In here tap on password. If you are not using password right now, you will be able to find like this. You have to add new password, but if you are currently using password, you will be able to find change option. So use that button according to your preferences. In my case it is show as add because I am not using password right now. Just tap on your button, it will be change or add. So you have to add the new password like this, and you can confirm that password by just adding again, and you can add the password hint. Then after tap on next. So you can see my account is local account. Just tap on finish, it will be added password for your account. Just close this one. Okay, second method is use the Microsoft account to change your password online. So to do that, just go to start menu, go to setting. Again you need to go to accounts. Make sure to check you are connected with your Microsoft account. In my case I am not connected with that one. You have to connect with to Microsoft account to change the password using Microsoft account. Once you are connected, open your browser and type account.microsoft.com and hit enter. It will be come you to this kind of menu. You need to sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you are signed in with your Microsoft account credentials, you have to navigate security and password security. Then after it will show some prompts. You have to change your password. So once you are change your password, the new password will be synced with your Microsoft 11 device. Once you are log out and again log in, it will ask your password. So you need to add the new password for that. So finally you can use your computer management for that one to change your password. Right click on the start menu and go to computer management. Navigate to local users and groups and go to not groups, go to users and right click on your user account and tap on set password. So if you see this kind of menu, just tap on proceed and you can add your new password and confirm that password. Once it is completed, tap on OK. So you have to sign out your computer, and it will, once you are signed in, you have to enter this new password. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.